In this video, I'm going to share some ideas on how you can protect your young avocado tree from the cold during the winter. I usually start protecting my avocado trees when it looks like there's a chance that the nighttime temperature might drop below 5 degrees Celsius. So the first thing to protect the roots, I'm going to wrap the pot in pieces of sheep's wool garden felt. I got these when ordering some frozen food online, but you can buy them separately as well. So I'm gonna attach the wool sheets with this jute string. I'm tying it to the handles of the pot to prevent it from sliding down too much as well. Put a second string further down to hold it all together. Next, I'm using gardening fleece to protect the rest of the tree. I have a garden bag with a drawstring, but you can also buy on a roll. I'm short, so I'm using a ladder to cover the tree with a fleece to avoid damaging it. In the past, I've actually used fleece sheets instead of the bag, which I've just wrapped around the tree, and then I held it together with closed pegs, which worked really well. So for my tree, I chose to draw the string of the bag simply to be able to water it more easily.